I don't know what that vehicle head is, but it's wrapped all weird to like camouflage its body lines and stuff. So I'm gonna try and go around. Oh no, I can't. Can I go around this way? Yeah, I can. Okay, so let's see if we can tell. They wrapped it weird to hide its whatchamacallit, hide its looks. Just do a quick looky-loo. You guys can look because I'm not looking. But yeah. Anyways, we're continuing with the Model X Plaid. Oops, why'd I zoom in so much? Yeah, you guys probably didn't even see what that car looked like. It's gonna pass me over there. Okay, do you know what kind of car that is? I don't know. Alright, see you guys later.